Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we give this machine a tune-up, which means we replace the gasket, this one you see right here, deep clean everything around the group head, back flush the machine, clean around the grinder, disassemble the entire thing, blow air through it, clean around here. We also clean the case of the machine, as this machine was in rough condition, let's say. It had a lot of coffee buildup and a bunch of other stuff. We'll show you a picture in a bit, but first let's do a shot of espresso. We have brand new coffee in there, and we're gonna be grinding in the number 2 setting. Okay, found the pictures of the machine itself. You can see right here that this is the same machine. This is how it was before we started working on it. This is all the coffee build that they had in there, as well the hopper and all the parts. So yeah, that's what we did. We just deep clean it. Nice steady stream coming out of the hot water.
Customer. Medium. Alright, I got it. Weird noises. Minor leaks.
And now we can do that shot of espresso. Good shot of espresso, getting into the espresso range, having good crema on top of that espresso shot, great flow. The right quantity. Great shot of espresso with really good crema. Now we're going to be testing this steamer. There you have it. As you can see, steady steam coming out of the one. Really great pressure. Working excellent. Working great. So there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.